Jisoo.
Yay!
Buti tulog si Mark na. I didn't have to see this.
Goodbye, guys. Hey guys, welcome back to Rishi TV. So for today, I'm with my besties. So this is Ina and Tracy.
Hi.
So for tonight, we are going to get lit.
Go get lit.
We're going to do a drunk makeup tutorial video. Okay, so just a disclaimer. Please don't drink sa mga minors.
70 and below.
We're not encouraging this. We're just having fun.
Just having fun.
We're in the legal age. Okay. Let's start!
Let's go!
So, bumili kami ng soju.
Maraming soju.
And this is actually good.
Yeah. So, this is the peach soju.
I've never tried that. Peach soju?
Yes!
We're gonna swatch.
Sarap.
Cheers.
Oh my God.
Meron kaming audience dito na minamalit yung soju.
Ang sama! No, kasi it's soju Yakult.
So, for the third round, we're gonna drink tequila.
Yes, girl. Sobrang taas ng shot. Like, hindi ko na siya malunok na maayos.
Yeah, para na sa mouth. Shot.
Cheers.
Please explain. Someone explain the situation right now.
So, we've had 6-7 shots of soju. Nakaubos na kami ng 2 bote.
And it's not working.
It's not working!
5 seconds.
Ang pangit na lasa ng soju.
5 seconds, diba?
Oh, ilang cheers na to?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Oh.
Let's start.
We
We're
don't
gonna start
know.
with our drunk makeup.
I don't know. We're
So
just gonna start.
You do know.
You do not the liar.
Oh, sige na. Game na. Why are we whispering? Okay.
Cheers.
We're gonna start doing our makeup na.
Okay? Finally, lasing na. So, on this.
Oh, we have this. Morphe M439.
Go. Medyo
This is
dark siya, ha?
recommended
Okay.
by
Dark.
Jacqueline Hill.
Hey! How are ya? Welcome back to my channel.
Ang daming ganun.
Wait, guys, come closer. We're gonna do makeup like this.
No! Ayoko! Scary. Kita lahat ng pores ko.
Okay, we're gonna start with our foundation.
I'm
Ay,
going
bakit
to...
sobrang zoomed in?
Para makita nila yung tutorial, para matuto sila.
First foundation. After your skincare.
Hala, bakit ang lapit? Pwede mo
Sige na nga, layuan
natin.
So sorry.
Next, I'm gonna use MAC Studio Face and Body Foundation. I'm in the shade
Okay.
C3.
Next.
Next.
This is my powder. I will set my face. I already
Concealer.
put my foundation and concealer.
Guys, this is so nice for everyday makeup.
Use this Asian
I have
wine.
that Super natural. I love it. Super dewy siya. Use your fingers and it
See,
activates.
Mimi,
Parang
nandito ka,
it
uminom
gives
ka.
more.
Ay!
It
You want to
gives
come
more
here, right?
coverage. So, alam mo ba, drunk makeup tutorial? Bakit? Ba't may nagagalit?
May nang-aaway.
Galit. Next, I'm gonna put concealer. Nag-concealer na kayo?
Puti ng yeah, ang tagal mo. Nagko-contour na
No,
ako.
kasi I like to do my base na perfect.
Puti ng foundation.
Face shop. Ako lang talaga yung tutorial. Mga guests ko lang to.
Okay, so wait.
Here. As you can see,
Wait lang. Sabay-sabay tayo
As you can
mag-contour, guys.
guys, wait lang. Nasa
Oh, wait.
foundation pa.
Dahil dyan, aray.
Mag-shot tayo.
Wait, so here guys. Aray!
Sorry.
Wait, so powder.
Alam mo, wala kasi kaming mirror dito eh. So we're
You
just
have to
looking
set-
at the viewfinder.
You have
Wait, I didn't eat dinner, guys. I didn't eat dinner. I ate like super little lang.
like a super little.
Super little.
Okay. So
super
to all
little
the
lang.
haters, she ate super like a little.
So little. I didn't have appetite.
Okay.
Okay.
So, okay.
Cheers. Cheers.
Ay, ala.
Cheers. 2
Di pa
seconds.
tapos yung 2 seconds?
Ka ba?
Seryoso, ang sakit ng tiyan.
High school. Imagine this is high school and college.
Alam mo ba, nung high school, si Alicia yung pinakamalakas uminom sa amin.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I can do 10 seconds Cuervo.
Pero in fairness, I super love Sunny's face air blush.
TBH.
Ba't ang bilis
I
nyo?
super love their lip dip. As in,
Ay,
like, I
grabe.
don't usually use like mga
TBH.
lippies or any
TBH ganda.
Ba't may maingay? Audience natin. Fast forward.
Okay, I have a backstory. So, wala akong makeup
Gulo.
today because I came from work, tapos nakalimutan ko i-shoot namin to. So, she picked me up from my house, tapos tulog pa ako. So,
Palpitating.
pagdating ko, wala akong makeup kit. So, I'm using her makeup, tapos sobrang puti.
Okay. Okay.
Came from work.
Boomerang. Gulo? Gulo.
Oh my God, no.
Sige,
Again.
Isa ba?
To, take a video.
Ang gulo. Ang gulo.
Go kayong dalawa. Naman siya shot
Sige
sila.
na, fine. Best friend shot.
Okay. We're going to shot because I'm palpitating already. Uy, ba't mo ginagawang blush to? This is for bronzer.
Where's your blush?
This is my
Erase
blush
the double
brush.
chin. Erase
Here.
the double chin.
I forgot.
CO. Pak. Ano ba to? Panga?
Lasing ka ba?
Hindi.
Bakit ako lang? Uy, seryoso.
Strong.
I need
Wait,
water.
relax.
I need
Relax
water. Can you get me water? Please.
Water. Sige, go.
Akala ko kukuha na lang akong tubig ni Gian. Yung speakers pala.
Next shade.
Okay.
Can you get it?
Please.
What's that?
I super love this. As in, super blendable, very lightweight.
What's the shade?
Moon. Ito kasi for Morenas, ito talaga yung perfect shade. Wait lang.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna put highlight
And
in
perfect for
Water
drunk
is
blush.
life.
Super
Drink your
perfect for
water,
drunk blush.
I'm gonna use this
see?
color for my...
It's perfect.
This one.
Guys, hindi ko na masasagot yung questions.
Grabe, blend mo naman, sis. I-blend naman natin. I'm using for my highlight Benefit WhatsApp. And super ganda for natural highlight. Top of your cheek. Super ganda na to.
Guys, ano
Palette.
na nangyayari? Ako nag-eyeliner. Siya? Highlighter.
Tabi nga. Wait lang. So I'm gonna use this shade. It's like a...
Ah! I poked my eye! Oh my God, nakita mo yun?
Oh my
And
God,
this,
this is-
pumasok siya sa eye ko. Oh
I'm
my
done
God.
with my eyebrows. Wait lang.
Grabe.
Oh my God!
Ay, wait lang.
Oh my God, I'm crying again. Yun ang may eyeliner ko. Now help you.
In.
Wait lang.
Please.
No, Ina, no. Don't help her kasi
Ano ba?
Don't help her.
Wait, don't move.
Don't help her kasi it's supposed to be.
Makeup more.
What?
That defeats the purpose of the challenge.
Wait. I
Kawawa
need
naman
some
my
cheers.
best friend. Ang pangat ng eyeliner, guys.
That's the point. You have to see after kung sino yung... cheers.
Shot ka muna on your own. Okay. Many. 5 seconds. Seryoso ako, Tracy. Kasi ako nagpa-palpitate. Kailangan niyo mag-palpitate. With me, please. More.
Gian, get this away from us.
Yan.
Okay, so they're done with their...
This is like party.
I'm gonna use this parang
pangit ng eyeliner ko, I can't.
terracotta color.
talaga.
I'm gonna do natural party look eh.
Can I borrow?
Yeah. Sige. Browns. So you have, if you want to
Okay,
blend
I'm gonna do my eyeshadow na.
So here.
Once again. Thanks, Trace. Oh, basta pagkatapos mo.
Inner your cape. This is grapefruit. Please drink it. I made
Nag-shot
Tracy
ako.
drink. I made
Sige.
Tracy drink. So, you guys, let's keep quiet because my neighbors are getting
Alisyu, kanina pa kami quiet. Ikaw lang
My
yung
neighbors are getting mad, guys. As of now, I'm doing my eyebrows. I had my eyebrows embroidered by this girl.
Yeah. So I did her eyebrows.
Okay.
So I'm doing my eyeliner na now.
doing my eyebrows.
Okay. By the way, guys, this was inspired by Kylie Jenner.
Kylie Jenner and Khloe
Yeah,
Kardashian.
I love
I know.
so much.
Wait, meron tayong video. We filmed one when we were in high school. It was a disaster. Pinagalitan kami ng parents namin.
Sumuka siya sa
Sumuka
car.
ka sa car namin. Oh, I'm gonna put my lippy from
Uy,
Sunny's. Like,
tapos na yung
this is like Fembot. Oh my god, I want so good. Who wants this Sunny's?
me. Go, do it.
Hey guys, I'm done with my makeup. They're not
Not
yet
yet
done.
I'm done na.
So,
Okay na to. This is
not
my
yet done.
party.
My lips is from Lip Dip from Sunny's. I like it.
Okay na to.
Alam mo ba?
Tapusin mo na, please. Bilisan mo. Ang tagal niya.
Wait, this is so gulo. Kasi, isipin mo, this is the longer, this longer part eh. But this is not the tube.
Oh my god, ang tagal niya.
Now I'm using this love liner like that from... No, I think I bought this in Japan. I have no more friends. They're all gulo. This is
Extra large yung binom ng lollipop. Ang sama mo.
Ang sama ko sa price.
Uy, water daw.
Guys, medyo ang tagal. Lasing na ata kami. I'm not really sure.
Wait. Ina, please drink. Medyo nagsusobra up na ako sa katagalan ni Tracy. Try.
So now I'm gonna use So Good, Sunny's face.
Gian, akala mo nakalimutan na kita?
Ha?
Where's the tequila?
Wala na.
Where's the tequila?
Wala na.
Uy, saan ko nalagay?
Wala na.
Meron pa yan.
Wala na sis.
Oh, God.
So this is my
Your first
boyfriend.
ever YouTube,
Yeah.
exposure.
Yeah. This is
Go.
Gian Bandia.
This is my
everyone.
boyfriend.
You don't have my consent to post it.
Ay, Alisyu.
Okay.
We're back here at the studio.
For your makeup routine, don't ever forget to set your face. This is the most important part because it melts the makeup in your skin, okay?
Okay, kasama na pala ako dun.
Okay, ako din. Kasama ko din. Ooh.
Okay,
So, we're done with our video today. See you next video.
bye!
Bye.
So comment down below what you think and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. I hope to see you guys soon.
Bye.
Bye! Kiss. Ay! Kiss me! Kiss me! Then kiss me!
Ay, hello.
Kiss Guys, cheers to the good life.
That's why you're my best friend.
Cut.